Welcome to this video on blood, light, and space, modern frameworks in bloodstain pattern analysis. Bloodstain pattern analysis, or BPA, involves examining the scale of complexity across three lenses: macroscopic, microscopic and molecular, and spatial and virtual. We will explore each of these in depth. The velocity spectrum, based on force versus mass, categorizes bloodstains into low, medium, and high velocity. Low velocity includes free-falling drops, while high velocity is seen in gunshot impacts and high-speed machinery. Ballistic diagnostics for high-velocity spatter differentiates between back spatter and forward spatter. Back spatter travels toward the weapon, while forward spatter travels in the same direction as the projectile and produces significantly more blood. The microscopic interaction, or lens shift, highlights how blood interacts with woven geometry. Surfaces like fabric don't just capture blood, they actively shape the stain. The fluid mechanics of absorption versus adsorption show how blood interacts differently with natural and synthetic fibers. Natural staple fibers, like cotton, absorb fluid, while synthetic filament fibers, like polyester, rely on surface adhesion and preferential diffusion. The fabric illusion can lead to misdiagnosing deposition. Examples include a passive drip on polyester mimicking a swipe stain, and a small contact transfer on blends mimicking a high-velocity impact spatter. The near-infrared window, or lens shift, is crucial when visual contrast fails on dark fabrics. NIR screening exploits the absorption gap between hemoglobin and textiles in the 750 nanometers to 925 nanometers range. There is a deposition discrepancy in NIR visibility. Passive drip stains show greater visibility because the volume penetrates the yarn. Swipe or transfer stains have high NIR quenching and visibility loss because clean fibers reflect NIR back. The NIR blind spot is due to molecular mimicry. Neolan black P dye vibrates at the same frequency as hemoglobin's heme group, absorbing the exact same infrared frequencies. This prevents optical contrast, effectively cloaking the bloodstain. Spatial reconstruction, another lens shift, involves extracting the stain from the 2D surface and mapping its trajectory back through 3D space. This is critical for accurate origin determination. Traditional stringing methods suffer from the gravity problem, assuming a straight-line flight path. This overestimates the true height of the area of origin. The true path is parabolic, obeying gravity and air resistance. Precision in volumetric space is achieved through the Faro integration. Laser scanning evaluates entire clusters simultaneously, capturing complex geometry with high precision, dramatically reducing the error radius compared to manual measurements. The modern BPA methodology combines physical pattern analysis, material interaction, and spatial reconstruction. Only by integrating all three, fluid physics, material science, and spatial geometry, can the true origin of a violent event be holistically reconstructed.